In this video, I will show you how to connect your Epson L6190 printer to your mobile using Wi-Fi Direct. Let's get started.
If you're having trouble with your printer, you can fix it for free on your own. If you have any technical questions or aren't sure which printer to buy, just ask us for expert advice and free support.
First, turn on your Epson L6190 printer and wait a few moments until it's fully powered on. Now look at the printer screen. At the top, you'll see the Wi-Fi icon. Tap on it to open the wireless settings. Next, tap on the Wi-Fi Direct option to open its settings. Then press the Start Setup button twice to begin the Wi-Fi Direct connection. Then press the Start Setup button twice to begin the Wi-Fi Direct connection. Wait a moment while the Wi-Fi Direct feature turns on. Once the Wi-Fi is on, you can easily see its network name and password on the screen. If you want to change the Wi-Fi password and set your own, simply tap the Wi-Fi Direct option again. Now, you will see options to change the password or disable the Wi-Fi. I set the password from 1 to 8 for easy connection. But if cybersecurity is important to you, it's better to choose a stronger and longer password. Now that the printer's Wi-Fi is turned on, all you need to do is connect your mobile device to it. Go to your phone's Wi-Fi settings, find the printer's network name, and enter the password to connect your phone to the printer. After connecting to the printer, open the Epson iPrint app. You can also print directly from your gallery without the app, but Epson iPrint offers more features and better control. With this app, you can run a nozzle check, perform printhead cleaning, and even update your printer's firmware. With this app, you can easily print your photos in high quality. And that's it. Now you know how to connect your Epson L6190 to your phone using Wi-Fi Direct. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more easy tech tips. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.